2015 Mini Cooper S Turbo Sport. We did a resonator delete. There's the original converter. There's another one up there somewhere. And then 2.5-inch pipe. Continued it. 2.5-inch into quad tip blue flame. Right there. That's what it looks like, guys. Let you guys hear it in a second. There's the muffler and the resonator's over there. There it is. That looks bad. Mini Cooper S. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. 16 Kia Soul. We did an earlier video in the about 2 weeks ago where we just did a resonator delete on it. And he brought it back. It was a little bit too quiet for him. So he brought it back and we did a muffler delete also. There's the old there's the muffler we cut off right there. Pretty good size. So there's the resonator delete we did. Still got all the stock converters. And then there's the muffler delete we did right there. Angle cut it. Looks pretty nice, really nice, clean. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. See what you guys think. There it is right there. Sound decibels, go ahead. Need that K&N air intake, man. I know, man. Go ahead and back it up. Guys.
That's good. Okay. I'm going to say, wow. I think that's not fine. Oh, now it's popping.
Did it nice and hidden, you don't see it. It comes out really clean. Give me gas again. What a Kia Soul sounds like when it's straight. Let you guys hear a drive off in a minute. There it is. That pop, bro. That's crazy. Wow. Mini Cooper.